Wilton here with another dog walk, AI talk. All right, AI, it's all around us. Everybody's trying to do it, but let me tell you, it's about speed, not perfection. Perfection will come later. Speed. You start working with AI and automation right now, not tomorrow, right now. Figure out what you need to do. If not, you will be left behind. It's moving so fast right now, even small businesses and entrepreneurs are taking full advantage of this. Solopreneurs are taking full advantage of this because they know AI can help them build their own digital employees. They don't need to hire 20 people to make a business run. There's multi-millionaires that are solopreneurs. And the reason why is because they're taking full advantage of AI. Can you imagine if you already have a company and you already have employees and you implement AI right away, how fast and how strong your business can grow, how stable it can be, and the efficiencies can really streamline? It's about speed. Now, work on the speed of your business with AI and automation, because those little mistakes that you make during the setup will be a lot easier to fix because you are streamlining it using AI and automation. Don't wait till it's too late. Do it now. Speed is your best friend when it comes down to AI and automation now. So, Wilton with another dog walk. Say hi, Dallas. AI talk. Talk to you soon. God bless.